Hello YouTube, it's good to see you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the forward assist on your upper receiver. Here we go. Alright guys, go ahead and install this on our upper receiver. I like to put light oil on everything, the spring, the roll pin, and the button. That's how I like to do it. And I'm going to go ahead and put this puppy on. You're going to need roll pin punches. You might want to finish it off with this other type of roll pin punch. We'll see how it goes. We're going to put our spring on our button. We're going to go ahead and okay, you're going to want to install it this way. I don't know if you guys can see that. You want to install it in a way where your roll pin has something to hook in. You'll notice what I'm talking about when you put it in and depress it and look through the hole. You'll know what I'm talking about. You got to put this in a manner that you're going to have something to hook with your roll pin, like this. You have to maintain this depressed as you hammer in your roll pin. Yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys use a vise and the proper equipment to put this thing in a vise without hurting it, because this is very difficult. It requires about 5 hands, but I did it this way for purposes of making a video. You're gonna have to bear with me. Easy does it with the pins, guys. Can't stress that enough. Be careful not to depress the button too much as you hammer in your pin. You just want to do it just enough so that the hook gets clearance. Alright, so just keep hammering in with your roll pin punches. Until you're satisfied that it's flush as it's going to be. And you're good to go. Oh, I went a little too far. Perfect. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate your company.